Hi, I'm Tim Crowley, Head Strength and Conditioning Coach at Montverde Academy. Let's take a tour of our sport performance facilities. Right here we have our turf. It's our large area which we use for a lot of things, from warm-up to stretching to foam roll. We also have our wall which we use for a med ball throwing, and we have our foot and ankle area where we use our toe pros and our slant boards. Here's all of our racks, dumbbells, kettlebells, and accessories underneath here, so it keeps everything nice and efficient. We have our sleds down here, which we use for marching, running, bounding, pulling. And again, we can use for a whole team. We got 4 of them, and we've got 22 yards of turf space. As we move over here, we have our Kaiser. We've got 6 units on this side, and we have 6 on the other side. And the main thing here is we can adjust our weight. These are super efficient. We can adjust our weight on here. We have our attachments, so we can do everything from upper body, core work in a very timely manner. On our racks, which we have custom designed, we have our Perch system, which is our velocity-based system. We have a 3D camera up above. It's all connected to the iPad. And Coach Brandon here is going to do a quick demo on some upper body pressing. And you'll see the green zone. If he is in the zone correctly, he's going to show blue. And if he's below it, it's going to show red. Usually showing fatigue. If we're yellow, it's showing that it's a little bit light and we can add weight. Some of our lower body features here, we have Coach Kate doing a trap bar deadlift. And we use these bands on here to create added resistance, so as she accelerates, we can counteract that. And we'll also see up here on the Perch, we're going to be able to look at our zones. And again, if we're up in the yellow, we're going to ask the athlete to add weight. If we're below that zone in the red, we're going to have them take the weight off so we can measure, monitor, and manage the workloads of the athletes. The coaches can move up and down the racks and help coach and assist the athletes to make sure we're doing exactly what we need to do at the right time. Now we're going to go through our athletic training into our new area called the flight zone. Follow me. This connects both areas, which is really great because we work very closely with the athletic trainers in creating the whole sports performance environment. Okay, come on into the new flight zone. So we have 45 yards of turf, and we also have 8 racks in here, 2 that are used for our rehab area, and then 6 we can use for performance with our teams. And then Coach Kate and Brandon are going to do a quick demo on some of the features we have in here. Coach Kate is going to do a deadlift using the Voltra Beyond Power. And here we're able to use a different load. We can go more weight going down, less weight going up. It's fully programmable. Coach Brandon's over here going to do a row. And you can see on here we have the weight on here. Let's adjust the weight a little bit. So you can easily adjust the weight just on the touch screen. We can slide it up and down. And this entire thing can slide up and down just like our Kaiser, so we have full variety in our rack on here. We also have a bunch of slide boards that we can use for our lateral training and deceleration, and Coach Kate is going to demonstrate how we use this. Most of our teams are using multi-directional. And then finally we use our sprinting area, and we have our laser timing gates, and we can do our sprint work in here. We don't have to worry about weather or heat. Thank you for visiting us at the Montverde Academy Sports Performance facilities. For more information, you can find us at mvasports.com. Go Eagles.